Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download ISO for Windows 11. So to do that, you need to go on to Microsoft official website, and you need to be a part of Windows Insider program. So to do that, you need to go on to Start menu and then Settings, then Windows Update, and at the bottom corner you can see Windows Insider program. Now get started. So you need to log into your Microsoft account. I have already logged in, so I'm just clicking continue. I'm going to restart later. Once you join the Insider program, go back to your Microsoft official website. And then sign in. Sign in option is right at the corner, top corner. So I was already signed in before, so it didn't ask me the username and password. Now you can find out everything about Windows 11, your system requirement, and how to download Windows 11 ISO. I'm going to show you step by step. Please keep watching. Now select edition. So I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro Beta. Continue, and then select the product language, English, or whichever language you want to install it with, and then click on 64-bit. Now as you can see at the bottom corner, Windows 11 ISO file is downloading. So you'll have to give enough time to download. Once it's downloaded, you can make a bootable USB drive, or you can upgrade your Windows from Windows 10 to Windows 11 using this ISO file. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Goodbye.